Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. One more video, FAR 160 chapter 4. And in today's video, we will look at a few questions from your practice kit. So we will look at question number 5 on page 119 and also question number 6 on page 121. So go get your book. If you don't have a book, I did scan the questions for you. So okay, let's look at the first one, question 5. Harum Berhad. So this is the question. So you can pause the video if you want to read the question from beginning until the end. So this is the statement of financial position as at 31st December 2015 for Harum Berhad. So this is the additional information. So there are 4 additional information. So one is all redeemable preference shares. So all of the preference shares RPS will be redeemed. Number 2, a new issue for the purpose of the redemption. 70,000 ordinary shares was sold. Okay, at 2 ringgit and 50 cent each. 50,000 shares were repurchased at 3 ringgit and will be kept as treasury shares. And a bonus issue was made. It's only for shareholders as at 31st December 2015. Okay, 1 for every 10. Okay, the bonus issue is 4 ringgit. So let's start recording. Redemption. First, we will do redemption of redeemable preference shares. So this time we're going to divide into 3 steps. Step number 1 is the redemption part. Okay, first we will debit redeemable preference shares and credit redemption of preference shares, 200,000, and then we will pay to the RPS shareholders. Okay, so debit redemption of preference shares, credit back 200,000. Done. Step number 1. So basically, is this one. Step number 1 is redemption and also paying to your shareholders. Step number 2, the issuance of shares. Debit bank. Okay, you sold 70,000 units of shares at 2.50 ringgit each. Credit OSA 175,000, and then send it to your OSC account from OSA account. Okay, that's it. So 2 steps done. The last step is to cover the amount that have not been covered by the issuance of shares, which is 25,000. So we're going to use your retained profit. So you have covered 175, so another 25,000 will be covered by the retained profit. Okay, that's all for redemption. Let's look at the share buyback. Okay, this time the company bought back the shares and keep it as treasury shares. This one is quite simple. So debit treasury shares 50,000 times with 3 ringgit, 150,000, and credit your bank because of the payment made to the shareholders. Okay, that's all. Now next one is issuance of bonus shares. Okay, number 1, let's calculate the bonus shares being issued. Debit retained profit 1 over 10 times 250,000 times 4 ringgit. Okay, now probably the tricky part about issuance of bonus shares is this part. Okay, uh, you have to be careful because it's in the question. It says that as at 31st December 2015, the issued and paid up capital is 250,000 only. So this are the shareholders entitled for the bonus issue. Okay. Okay. So that 1 over 10 times with 250,000 times with 4 ringgit get 100,000. Credit bonus issue and debit bonus issue and credit your ordinary share capital. That's it. Done for question number 5. So if you want to look at it again, you can rewind the video. You can start the video from the beginning, pause on the part that you think that you need to look more in detail. The next question is question 6, the case of Harapan Berhad. So let's look at the question. This is the statement of financial position as at 1st January 2005. So this one is at the beginning of the accounting period, Harapan Berhad. Okay, during the year ended 31st December, following transaction took place. They want to redeem all. For the purpose of redemption, they issued ordinary shares to ringgit 30 cent each to 2 million actually. And the company sold all of the treasury shares. Okay, this one shows that in the statement of financial position, treasury shares already exist. So sometime back, they bought back shares from the shareholders. So here there are treasury shares at 2 ringgit 50 cent each, total of 7.5 million. Okay, so it will be sold back at 3 ringgit. There is a bonus issue. Okay, this one as at 1st January, so similar to the previous one. It is for the shareholder before the redemption, shareholders before the redemption. Okay, this is what the question requires you to do to generalize the business transactions and also to prepare statement of financial position as at 31st December, the equity section only. Okay, so let's do the first part, redemption of RPS. So we're gonna do this quickly. Do step one, redeem and pay. Redeem and pay. Okay, then step number two, the issuance of shares. Okay, the money received and transfer it to ordinary share capital. And then step number three, cover with your retained profit. Okay, the amount that have not been covered by the issuance of shares. That's it. Very simple. Okay, you should score 100 marks for this one. Okay, resale of treasury shares. Okay, resale of treasury shares. Debit bank. Okay, because you sold your shares at 3 ringgit, 3 million units, you get 90 million. Okay, and then credit treasury shares 7.5 million. Why 7.5 million? Because in your statement of financial position, the treasury shares is only 7.5 million. So which means there is a profit of 1.5 million which will be credited into your OSC account, the capital account, ordinary share capital, which also means that there is an increase in value of your ordinary shares. Okay, issuance of bonus shares similar with the previous one. 1 over 50 times 15,000 times with 2 ringgit. Okay, the credit bonus issue, and then debit back bonus issue. Send it to your ordinary share capital. Okay, this is the statement of financial position required by the question for you to prepare. So this is the equity part. So we have here issue and paid up capital now becomes 17,300,000 ordinary shares. The unit part is calculated by adding the original balance 15 million, and then the 2 million from the issuance of new shares, and then the 300,000 bonus issue. And the value part comes from the opening balance of 30 million, and then the issuance of new shares 4.6 million, and then utilize your retained earnings 7.4 million, and then the profit from you sold back your treasury shares 1.5 million, and then bonus issue, okay, 0.6 million. Okay, so the reserves, retained earnings, 18.5 million minus with 7.4 million utilized because of to cover back the redemption, and 600,000 due to the bonus issue. Okay, that's all for redemption of preference shares. So we'll see you again in the next chapter. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.